About a week ago, I made a video where I told you guys I was deleting Facebook from my life. You guys saw me on the deletion page for deleting my Facebook account. I went ahead and deleted my Facebook account, deleted my personal account, the DistroTube Facebook page, deleted it all. Or requested it all be deleted. We'll see if Facebook follows through on that and actually completely removes all that. But I deleted Facebook and I joined up for Diaspora. Signed up over on Diaspora. Link is in the channel header for those of you that want to follow me on Diaspora, which seems to be a really nice alternative to Facebook, a decentralized alternative to Facebook. Today I'm doing the same thing with Twitter. You know, I said I wanted to get rid of Facebook because of all the privacy concerns over data collection and such. I said I really don't mind staying on Twitter because it doesn't seem as bad as Facebook. But you know what? I know it is. I know I need to get rid of Twitter. So today I'm deleting Twitter and I'm joining Mastodon. So, this is my Twitter page here. I've already got it here. Deactivate at DistroTube. My Twitter account was DistroTube. I'm going to go ahead, deactivate. I need to type in my password. We're deactivating this bad boy. My account is now deactivated. Bye-bye Twitter. We're deleting Twitter. And I am signing up over at Mastodon. The link to my Mastodon page will also be in the channel header. For those of you that are not aware, Mastodon is another social network. It is more Twitter-like, where Diaspora is more Facebook-like. It is a social network. You type, short little tweets. Although they don't call them tweets, they call them toots. I guess because of the elephant, the Mastodon. You're tooting instead of tweeting. I'm not real comfortable telling people that I just tooted, but it is what it is. Anyway, you do these 512 character messages, just like Twitter. Reading a little bit about it from joinmastodon.org. I'll link to that in the description. Find your perfect community. Mastodon isn't one place and one set of rules. It's thousands of unique, interconnected communities to choose from. So it's decentralized. There's a lot of different instances of Mastodon on the web with different rules, filled with people of different interests, speaking different languages, whatnot. Don't like the rules? You're free to join any community you like, or better yet, you can host your own instance of Mastodon and make your own rules. Take control of your content. Basically, my content is mine. Mastodon is not free to sell my data or do anything. Feel safe in your community. Mastodon comes with effective anti-abuse tools, moderators, of course, yada, yada, yada. Anyway, basically, this is a better Twitter. It's more private, more secure. Anyway, I went ahead and chose a Mastodon server. I signed up over here at mastodon.technology, which has a little over 7,000 people on it. It is a place for tech folks to discuss whatever interests them. So Mastodon technology. Let me see if I can open that particular instance of Mastodon. This is it. All I had to do was create a username at mastodon.technology. Give an email address. You will get an email sent to that email address where you can activate your account. It takes about 1 minute. Very simple to register. When I registered, I have this page. Let me log into my page so you can actually see what it looks like when I log in. This is what you guys would see at the general public sees. Let me show you what it looks like once I actually log into my page. Alright, so I logged into my Mastodon account, and it looks very similar to Twitter. Almost looks almost like the TweetDeck instance of Twitter. Anyway, this is my account page here. I'll link to my account in the page. You guys that want to sign up on Mastodon, you'll find me at DistroTube at mastodon.technology. That is my account. You see, of course, it's got my avatar here, the name I want to display, which is my actual name, Derek Taylor. My username at DistroTube, and a brief little bio here. I think you can make like 160 character bio. I've made one toot. I just made my first toot. And my first toot here is hashtag hello. I am hashtag new here. I am the creator of hashtag DistroTube. Yada, yada, yada. Basically, my viewers expect me to have a social media presence, so I signed up for Facebook and Twitter initially, but have requested those accounts to be deleted. Diaspora and Mastodon are my social networks of choice now. I want my hashtag privacy back. Already have one follower. And then this has only been up for 5 minutes. I'm not sure if that's some kind of auto follower, maybe the admin of this particular instance of Mastodon or not. I guess I could click on it. Ash Furrow, yeah, I believe this is one of the moderators here. Yeah, he is the Mastodon.technology admin, so he's the administrator. All right. Anyway, looks pretty cool. Let's see, I already have somebody that read my first toot, and they favorited it, whatever that means. I guess they liked it. Same as, I guess, giving a like on Twitter. Triple Null also followed me, so now I should have 2 followers, I guess. If I refresh the page, maybe I'll have 2 followers. I'm not sure. Yep, 1 follower and 1... Okay, I follow the admin. Okay, I see. So, the follower is Triple Null, and the people I follow is the admin. So, I'm automatically following the admin of this particular instance of Mastodon. Okay, anyway. Like I said, I've been on it all of 5 minutes, so I don't know really anything about Mastodon yet. I've been on Diaspora about a week. I don't know that much about Diaspora, but I will say I'm really liking Diaspora. You guys, I can't recommend this enough. Get off of Facebook. Join me over on Diaspora. That is where you need to be. That is the better place to be. Much more private. If you value your privacy at all, get off Facebook. Come join me over on Diaspora. And you know what? Go ahead and do the same thing with Twitter. Unless you have some real need to be on Twitter, and I can't imagine anybody that needs to be on Twitter, Mastodon is a great place to be. A variety of servers, thousands of people on some of these servers to share things with. Share your common interests, even, such as, in this case, Mastodon Technology. Had over 7,000 people on this one server, and most of them, I'm sure, are mainly interested in technology. So probably, a lot of, mobile kind of development, Linux, maybe some BSD guys, maybe even some people interested in, sysadmin, that kind of thing. So I'm pretty happy that I went ahead and deleted Twitter from my life, the same way I deleted Facebook from my life. Again, I'm going to have links to my Diaspora account and my Mastodon account in the channel header. I'll also link to them in the show's description, and I strongly urge you guys, come join me over there. All right, before I go, I want to give a special thanks to my patrons, all my Patreon supporters, A.K. Ron, Mr. Neely Pops, John, Brian, Carl, Greg, Carlos, Rob, Matt, Darkwin, Mark, Christian, Jake, Benjamin, Stephen, Marcus, Interceptor, Bob, Leor, Omar, Silvio. You guys rock. You guys help make this show possible. Peace, guys.